Hi, my name's Steve Wilkinson, and today I'd like to talk to you about scrubbing brushes. It might seem a very simple item on the shopping list or within the press room, but you'll be surprised how often I find that the wrong bristle, the wrong brush is being used, and it can contribute to a number of issues that you might not have thought of. First and foremost is the fact that the block of the brush, we recommend it to be plastic and not wood. Wooden blocks tend to swell, split and warp. Apart from that, they're also unhygienic. When different operators are using the brushes, you can get contamination and bacteria into them. So you rarely find that these wooden brushes even last the length of the cleaning cycle. What happens is, because you can't put them in solution, the blocks will swell, as I say. People tend to leave the brush on the side, all the bristles plug up and dry, and it becomes unusable. So that's why we recommend a plastic block handle, and that applies to all the brushes that we offer. Now, what type of brush should you use? Well, for ceramic we recommend the stainless steel bristle. Something like a 3/1000 bristle is generally the norm, and it will do a very good job at helping to remove hard and dried ink and coating from the surface of the roll, and is the go-to product that we recommend all the time. One brush that should never be used on a ceramic Anilox roll is a brass bristle brush. The brass is too soft a material. It will actually plug the cells, it will actually remain in the cell itself. So if you use brass on ceramic, you will actually plug and lose volume and not achieve a cleaner roller. These should only be used for chrome Anilox or chrome metal surfaces, but never on a ceramic surface which is too hard and abrasive on this material. So something to bear in mind. You can actually use nylon. Nylon bristle brushes reasonable go-to as well, but they can splinter a little bit, so we tend to avoid them if we can when cleaning Anilox. You don't want to get nylon splinters into your ink, etc. So generally for more like your press frames and around the press room, but not so much recommended if you're cleaning on press, and particularly around the ink fountain itself. For cleaning the printing plates, pretty much we recommend our horsehair brushes. The horsehair is softer material and is less prone to damaging the surface of the plate. But of course, it's about the operator, how much pressure is applied, and it's very important that the plate brush is clean, that the bristles are hardened and dried. If you start to scrub your plates with a dried out brush, you will find that you will damage the surface of your plate. So try to use the right brush with the right bristle for the right application, and you will get longer life and better performance from your printing plates, Anilox and machine parts.